Good afternoon. After that beautiful lunch that we had and a ride in your GTR, I love your license plate. That
January 29th.
January 29th. Those of you who know Hiro know that's his birthday. I'm so happy that you finally picked up your Nissan Heaven Kochi. Beautiful car. I love it, love it. Let me just get another view for those of you who are car buffs out there. This is a 2018. And the front two letters, as you may have known, that means Kochi 332. Hiro-san, anyway, we were here actually yesterday, but they wanted to make something very, very special for you.
Special things.
Yes.
So
Let's go inside and look at it. All right.
check it out.
高知県高知市にあります洋菓子店、パティスリープロポジションベールベール、シェフの勝北義弘です。はい。今日は、旬のイチジクを使った、ケーキタルトをこれから作ります。このスイーツの仕事をするきっかけになったのは、そうですね、ちょうど中学生ぐらいの時にお隣のおばちゃんが美味しいフルーツケーキを作ってきてくれて、うちの母はケーキが作れなかったもんですから、蒸しパンぐらいしか作れなかったもんですから、そのフルーツケーキを食べたところ、ものすごい今まで食べたことないお菓子でしたので、それに非常に印象に残ってまして、そんな美味しいケーキを作ってみたいなっていうのがまず最初の一歩ですね。はい。 このお店を創業してからちょうど38年になります。高知の生まれではないんですけども、東北宮城県の出身なんですが、高知に来てもう独立して、23年目に入りました。おかげさまで高知に来たのは、やっぱり高知の気候風土がすごくよくってあったかいですし、海のもの、山のもの、そして果物も特別に他県よりも豊富に思っております。そんなところでケーキ作りをしたいなっていうのもありますし、ちょうどたまたま家内が高知県の出身でしたので、高知でケーキ屋さんをしたいなという夢が叶いました。はい。今日は1ミリオンフォロワーおめでとうございます。ようこそ高知、ジャパニーズ高知ベールベルへようこそいらっしゃいました。ありがとうございます。今日は特別なケーキをお作りしております。それでは、おめでとうのケーキに私がボタンを一つ乗っけたいと思っております。
All right, congratulations.
ありがとうございます。
Okay, let's take a look at this. Beautiful, look at this. Beautiful and gold button plaque. And the funny thing is, this is actually gold. He was always using this 24 karat gold. This is a whole sheet for his sushi dishes, and this chef also. We didn't tell him to do that, but he came up with it. Beautiful chef.
Yeah.
Arigato. So nice, so nice. Okay, to the most important part is the tasting part.
Yeah.
Tasting.
マジパンだからね。
No, Hiro, you had to get some of the gold. Come on.
Some of the gold?
Yes, come on.
がっつり。
You can't take it back to Miami. I know, it looks so beautiful, right? I know.
そうそう。
And that's the flavor you like, right? Walnut? No. Is that hazelnut? Oh, yes. And thank you, all of you that are subscribed. Without all of your subscriptions, I know this would not even be possible. Hiro, thanks you very much. Of course, I'm the cameraman. Thank you very much for, again, Chef, for making this and to celebrate. Romy, thank you very much also for your hospitality. Really appreciate it. Chef?
いや。こんなにがっつり、ヒロさんよりも。
So sweet, right? Just delicious. Yeah?
So delicious.
Delicious. Romy?
はい。
Yes, some gold.
いただきます。
Itadakimasu. Nice. And we have to introduce the wife and owner of the chef who creates his beautiful displays. Look, can I just show you guys some of this? Look at this. This is all handmade. Beautiful stuff here. Now I guess they celebrate Halloween as well. Take a look at these beautiful displays that they have. Okay. Psycho.
よっよっいただきます。
いただきます。
ヒロさん、コングレチュレーション。
ありがとうございます。
Sweet. So good, right? Okay. And I guess I have to do what too, you know? Okay. I'm gonna get some of this gold. I never really had too much gold flake before. But you guys gonna see this at home. Look how beautiful this is. Very good. Cake is very fresh. This is like what we had yesterday, right? What kind of nut is that? Hazelnut?
No, this is different.
Oh, it's different?
It's
So good.
Chestnut.
Okay, chestnuts, you're right. No, this one, the gold. Get some gold.
ここですか?
Yes, the gold.
こういう感じ?
A big, how do you say big bite? She has to say how it tastes. Oh, see? Okay, that's the right answer. Okay, in tasting fashion, Hiro, one last taste for all your fans, all your 1,000,000+ subscribers. You had to take the whole piece. Bro, let me get it for you.
This one?
Yeah, here, I'll help you. Right here. This is the whole plate bun.
In the center.
Okay, I'll feed it for you. No, I'm kidding. Okay, let's take a look at that. Take a look. Look at that beautiful plate bun. Again, thank you so much to the chef and Blvd Pastry Bakery Shop. Enjoy, Hiro. One bite, yes. Nice, nice. So good, right? I know, you can wait. I know, your mouth is full.
So good.
So good,
In
right?
the center, it's like a cookie.
Yeah, good cookie, yeah. Wow, Hiro-san, what a beautiful creation.
So beautiful.
And let me tell you, I see a lot of similarities between a pastry chef and a sushi chef, you know? Everything's basically a presentation.
Right.
It looks easy, but it's so hard to do. And okay, enjoy. Tell me what you think about this. And it's ironically, this is where your friend owns a shop. That's why we're here in Kochi, Japan.
Right.
And beautiful pastry shop. And the master pastry chef making all these. Okay, what's going to be first, Hiro?
First with this one.
Okay.
Right. Let's try to put this on to put apart.
What's the flavor?
Chestnuts.
Chestnuts, okay.
And then the cream.
Oh, cream inside. Wow, we had a lot of that in Tokyo and Okinawa, huh? Those cream puffs.
Look. You can see that? The part of the chestnuts.
Wow, nice. Good. Let me tell you what, this pastry shop, everything looks so beautiful. Now how about this one here? You want to give that one a try? It's some kind of pear, right?
Yeah.
Is it like a Japanese pear?
This is it's called ichijiku.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can find that only in Japan?
Translation here.
Okay. And where can you find this?
This one. Okay.
No, but where? Oh, well, is this only in Japan?
This one, I think Japan plus
Somewhere in Southeast Asia?
South Asia.
Okay.
I think find it. I need to check. You can
Nice.
find it out.
Wow, look at that.
So soft.
The pear looks really soft.
Totally like already.
Well, look. Now I gotta try myself. Can I have some of this one?
Yeah, try it.
I'm a big pastry fan too. Okay. Take a look at this. That is delicious. I haven't had chestnuts for a long time, but whatever they do to this, I thought it was brown sugar, something with brown sugar when he was making, you know? And the cream is delicious. Oh, you know.
So good.
I'm so glad we stopped by. Hope you guys like this episode. And we'll see you soon. Thank you very much.